Today in the workshop we've got a Volvo C30, a 57 plate, which has got a water problem, and what we've found is the sunroof seems to be the culprit. So we're just going to show you obviously what it's doing. So what I've got here, we've got a bottle with water in with a pipe on the top, just so we can put water in the gully a bit better. So this is the top sunroof gully. So if we put a bit of water in here, it's just basically simulating that obviously the gully's getting filled up with water. Okay, so we've filled that up there. Okay. And then what it's actually doing is it's supposed to obviously release itself from the front arch, but as we can see there's no water there. But what it's actually doing is the pipe's blocked from the arch to the bulkhead, which is then causing it to come out of this little join which they have. So as you can see there, this is the sunroof pipe going down, and then inside, just behind the dashboard there, you can see a little rubber grommet which the pipe's locked into. So what it's doing is where it's blocked, it's backing up, and then what it's doing is it's pouring out of that join, and then what we're getting, the result of that is, if I can just put you down here. Okay, so we've got signs of water dripping down the bulkhead there, also onto that electric box and on the electric cables. Also, you can see the debris which has been pushed in from the sunroof, and obviously this is a nice puddle here right next to all these electrics, so obviously if it's left it could cause you further issues. And the sponge is quite wet as well, obviously on the underlay, so that's obviously full of water there. So there we go, so that's the problem on the Volvo.